No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Inside the Box with your host Shades. Let's talk about dollar cost averaging, the strategy that people hate using because it implies that, hey, I'm not going to be in the green right away, so let me just keep putting some money into a stock that just continues to go down, right? The dollar cost average strategy. It is mainly used by investors who believe in a stock long term, but it can also be used by traders because you're not trying to time the bottom. You just want to put some money in while it's discounted and then you hold for the bull run. So in this episode we are going to go over the dollar cost average strategy, and I will show you here something that I think I've shown it before. Let me see if I can find it. Is this it? Okay, this is it. Yep. So this is one of my accounts, and one of my accounts I hold SoundHound AI, and you can see woo, I'm in the green on 100 shares that I bought at 6.38. But other than that, you can see I've been dollar cost averaging since the 1st of 2026. I've been dollar cost averaging. I don't think about it. I just keep adding whatever, and that's all there is to it. You just keep adding a little bit at a time here and there. Don't overthink it. The whole point is to not time it. You just keep adding because you believe in it. You are supposed to be in the red. You are supposed to be 30 to 50% down, maybe even 80% down. Because the longer a bear market goes on, the cheaper prices are going to get. That's just how it is, right? The longer a bear market goes on, that means stocks are just constantly doing what? They're just constantly tanking. So this is expected. It would be kind of weird if a bear market meant prices kept going up, because then people wouldn't hate bear markets. That's called a bull market at that point. People wouldn't hate bear markets if stocks kept sideways, right? No, people hate bear markets because everything just keeps going lower and lower and lower with no green ever in sight. So this is expected. A lot of people's portfolios look like this: 25% down, 40% down, 50, 80. If you bought something super risky and volatile, you might be down like 90%. I mean, Joey Shaw is a great example of that guy. He bought MSTR. He bought a really risky, really volatile treasury that gives exposure to Bitcoin, but it's so volatile. His portfolio went from, he said 80K to 10K. So, but that's expected. That's normal because he bought something super crazy volatile, right? The more volatile the stock, the more it's going to go up, and the more it's also going to come down when it goes down. That's what people forget, right? They like buying stocks that are volatile, but they hate when it goes down a lot, but they love when it goes up a lot, right? Isn't that funny? So this is normal. Like, I sleep good at night. I don't give a damn, because it's like I've been here. I've done this already. I've been there, done that. It's always the end of the world. Oh no, the fear is at extreme fear, and everyone's so scared, and I'm just like, I'm just snoring, and I wake up and I'm like, all right, let's see if we got cheaper, because I love the discounts. And yeah, so that's kind of my mindset, because it just, or you can just wallow and cry, I guess. That's another option. But either you choose to be a bitch, or you choose to be like Shades. You just go, hell yeah, I'm gonna buy these discounts, and I will gladly wait for the bull run when I know all of this red is gonna turn into green. In the future, this is all going to be green, plus 34%, plus 25%, plus 14%, plus 100%, right? People hate the other side, but they love it when everything's up. It's just whatever. It is what it is. But dollar cost average, it's that simple. You don't think about it. You just buy here and there as it goes down under the purple line. Now, keep in mind, the difference between me and investors is investors, they just put money into a stock. It doesn't matter what price it's at, right? Most investors, or the majority, they go like this. Oh, I'm just going to buy some here at 19. I'm going to buy some at 18, 16, $6, $10. They don't care whether it's going up or down, whether it's a bull run or bear market or sideways market. They don't give a damn. They just keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. But we don't do that. The dollar cost averaging, the Shade way, you wait for that purple line on the daily time frame, and then you start dollar cost averaging. right? So you buy the purple line. Remember, we bought at the purple line at around 13s, 14s. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. That's part of the dollar cost average strategy. Because if we're gonna go into a huge bear market crash, you have no choice anyways. Might as well buy huge discounts, right? When you buy at the purple line, remember you're buying at about 50% off. Not always, depends on the stock, but you're usually buying at a huge discount. And then you start dollar cost averaging from there. And just keep buying, keep buying. You don't care anymore. You just keep buying. You don't think about it. You know this is how it is. You know how it's. You know you've been there. You know how to play the game. You know it sucks, but you've been there, so it's whatever. At least for me, it is. So yeah, I got nothing more to say. It's that simple. Wait for the purple line. The purple line is the 200 weighted moving average. You go to settings, and you can see you can change it to purple or whatever color you like. 2px is just if you want to make the line super big, I guess, super thick like that, I don't know, I just keep it at 2. You can make it small too, whatever. You can choose whatever for this, whatever size. Maybe you're blind, maybe you're old, and you need a really big a really big purple line. And then just make sure the move average cycle is 200, and bam, WMA, and you have the same setup on Moomoo. At least don't ask me about other chart setups, other charting platform softwares. I don't know. I only use Moomoo, so I can't help you on something I've never used, right? So there you go. Good luck out there. Keep it simple, stupid. Anytime you go under that purple line, just keep accumulating, keep buying, keep dollar cost averaging, and have your sell targets. In this case, our sell targets are 14, 18, 15, 20, and beyond. And of course, if you're dollar cost averaging, your average is probably going to be around like $9-10. So from 10 to 15, 50%, 10 to 20, 100%, right? Which is really good because you're going to double your money or at least make 50% on it. And all you did was just buy and not think about it, not have to use your brain. Really, you're just keep throwing money at it under the purple line. That's all we've been doing. It's nothing genius, guys. The whole point of it is to be simple and effective, and that's what it is. And I will see you in the next one. Survive the bear market, and you will be making gobs of money when things turn around.